Watla ka Jylla kalamat ya ka Jingkiw state ka klam COVID-19 Chief Whip ka Liang Pyrshah bot UMLA ka Kongres uba PT Saukmi ula Kyntu ya ka Sorkar MDA bakam day ban Pynjari biang ya ka Jingkhangdam ha ka Jylla namar kani kan kata ya ubaduk pasung habaya kren baklap thai khubor uba PT Saukmi ulong ba ulayo I bakat no kani ka Jingkhangdam kalakta ya ubaduk ubasuk bat kum ka Sorkar Jylla ka de ban le no da ka micro containment area.
Personally, what I have experienced regarding with lockdown, I thought that lockdown is enough. Not only what I could see, I think many people in the state, even the country as a whole, they said lockdown is enough. What we need now, we need that containment zone or that micro containment management. But why I'm saying about that? Because we have seen that spike have been increased. Cases have been increased. But the main important now we have to think about the livelihood of people. I'm very much afraid about the livelihood of people. If again lockdown, I don't know whether the government also whether they can feed or not. Even we also leaders we can feed or not. Even the community can feed or not. So the main important we have to afraid about the starvation. That's why now from my side, I didn't see that lockdown will be a solution, but I could see that unlock is a more solution. Many people can go to work. See, as of now, all the activities are going only 30%. Shop is open only the odd number, not fully. Even the vehicles, taxis are also not flying full. Everything is not flying full. Some even now people have been meeting with very hard situation. If it is again lockdown, will be very tough. People by that time they may take a decision to come out by themselves. Because why? Because it's really important. They have to think for family members. They have to think for the stomach. They have to think for others. That's why lockdown. I didn't see that will be a solution.